how the roads looks like.
Back then?
Yeah, all the way to the mountain. Like
At the bottom of the mountain.
bottom of the mountain.
I rarely go here. I think this is the second time I went here.
Yeah.
That's just the second time.
Oh my God. Mababa, mababa. Oh, that's what you're calling me. Do you want to go there? Minamadali niyo ako.
Yeah. Ay, ito yung may Milan daw, Milan Resort.
Talking. Are you like
Ito no, kanan ba yung school nyo? Kanan?
Yeah.
Eh, ano daw daw sabi ni
I'm holding
Pastor.
my home. My thumb is on the
Oh,
Baka kami balikan. I will teach them how to drive this one. Is it okay?
naku. Punta. Mama,
So just like this, the road. Like that. Like this?
Yeah.
I'm on a bridge and there's a big bump.
Ay.
A kiss bump.
Nandun kasi yung asawa nung ni Uncle Gillian, yung nagkakasal sa atin. Sabi ko hindi ko makilala. Nung lumapit ako, ay si tita pala yun, kako. Tapos naman, nag-uusap kami. Dumating naman yung tita namin na kapitbahay, yung kabila.
Yung asawa ni ano? Aryong ay ni.
Hindi, ba? Doon sa pinsan ni Papa yata yun.
Like so
Kaya
that.
napamarites
Ay,
ka na.
na
400
kwento
cc.
na. Sabi ko si tita pa yun. Ay, sabi niya.
That
Sabi ko hindi na kita makilala.
Ano yun, Miguel, anak?
is 400 cc up, not allowed on road.
It's allowed. And it's allowed on highway.
What's right on highway? Okay,
This way.
this way?
Oh my God. Uy. Diretso lang? Saan ba?
Titingnan muna natin resort. May maganda raw swimming pool dyan.
Oh my.
Hindi, kaninong resort?
Ilan?
Kanila yon? Ayoko, rough road.
Kaya, baba ako?